Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Monzo card to Apple Pay quickly and easily. First, open the Monzo app and go to your home screen. Tap on your card, then select Add to Apple Wallet. On the next screen, tap Add to Apple Wallet again. Confirm your name and card number when prompted. Wait a few seconds as your card is added. Then, review the terms and conditions and tap Agree. You'll be asked if you want Monzo as your default card. Choose your preference. And that's it. Your Monzo card is now ready to use with Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.